In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Jcpenney discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Jcpenney discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use in order to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with 25% discount of any purchase, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here that you can copy, and you can use this promo code on your next purchase in order to get a 25% discount. Also, going back to the main search, we have right here this website which is called Simply Codes. And right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes and deals that you can use to get some discounts. So, for example, if you want to get, let's say, this one, which is also authorized by the reseller with 45% discount, you can tap right here where it says copy code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this one and use it on your next purchase in order to get a 45% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.